Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. My people, how on a day? Don't forget to join us on our Instagram at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Also on Facebook at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. That's our Facebook page. Also on TikTok, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. So the same thing, a lot of people they be asking me for training. You know, all this group training, we don't do them. Like I think up and way back when we were coming up, we started doing once in a while. But the best for you to enjoy the class, for you to enjoy how to make whitening lotion, for you to enjoy how to make whitening oil or glowing oil or moisturizing oil, cream base, how to know all these things, facials and all that. For you to enjoy how to do them, it's for you to really register with us on a full class, all right, so that you can also obtain your result as well. In that note, we can teach you irrespective of wherever you are, being in Europe, UK, Asia country, US, Canada. We can also do a video class also one-on-one until that we know that you understand what we are teaching you. It's not that all about the money, like we just collect your money like what people say they do to them. They collect your money and after that just teach you, send you ebook, then they block you. No, we don't do that. We're not part of this. We have a lot of students across the globe. Ask them, right? And the amazing product that I really seen review. You can see the conversation between me and this person. You can see how our skin is popping up because of the right product we sell. All right, and if you want also to buy this product as well, you want to buy these lotions, you want to buy them to be using them in wherever you are, you want to buy them or you want to be selling as wholesalers as well, we can also you can place your order, we send them to you and you will receive them, you will sell and you will make your money. All right, a quick one, I want to tell you how 5 products that you can use, and when you use them in your lotion you will see powerful results, because people come in, they really want to learn how to make these things and they don't have money. Rather they be saying this group class which is not really helping us as well. So I decided to drop this secret and how they can really go over and over about this secret and it will work for them. The 5 products that you can use and it will work for you, I've told you time with that number. These are alpha button powder, glutathione powder, then we talk about black magic powder, yes, then you talk about male white powder. After the male white powder, maybe you can use any of others powder, either sim white or giga white. Now I would want to start with the male white powder. Now male white powder, how it helps you on your lotion, inside the lotion, is a water soluble and a dissolvable powder. These are powder that are naturally found in every every natural plant. Okay, yes, yeah, even natural plant that lightens. All right, okay, so this male white powder is basically for lightening and or whitening, and they have no side effect. Are you getting it? And it's water soluble. It's used to mostly treat lighten up places like for sunburn or dark spot. That, yes, those dark spots that that you'll be trying to remove time with that number. Yes, male white powder are basically, those are the powders they use to with 2% of it. All right, with 2% of it, Those are the powder they use to make some of all the serums, effective serums, though they are very, very expensive. China has, Thailand has gone faster ahead of us to prepare all these things for us. These are natural powders that we also can make too, but they have the machine how they can extract them and then make them solid. There's no way you cannot find glutathione, there's no way you cannot find alpha-butene, there's no way but how to extract all this. So that's why they are far ahead of us. So main white powder, these are powder that you can use for your sunburn, that you can also use for your like aging spots. Yes, those are really things that are disturbing most of the ladies that they really want to get rid of. Like men, they can just go ahead with that, but ladies, so they see all these things as a barrier. If you know that you're having that as a barrier, why not you just try to get that male white powder, dissolve it and put it inside your lotion. It always helps. Yes, in as much as it's expensive, it always helps. These are powders, original powders. I'm not in here to tell you stories about like what I don't know. These are original powders. They're lighting fast. And you can only get them in few places because yes, people travel to go get them, so they are not just seen everywhere. These are powders that you need. So, and after that, we talk about this black magic powder. There's a time I told you of this black magic powder. Not everybody that, black magic powder. Not everybody that know about black magic powder. You might see because that they want to get your money. Oh, you ask, do you have black magic powder or magic powder? They will say yes. Or do you have male white powder? They will say yes. Whereas they don't have it. So that is why when you want to get all this kind of powders, you go to the store where you got the information. You go to the channel where you get the information. Then you copy their number and call them. Please, how can I get this powder you talked about? Can you send it for me? Or where is your location? That is how you make inquiry. You don't just because you watch my video, then you go ask another person. And see, it doesn't work like that. That person you went to ask, you say, oh, I have it because you need your money to solve their problem. So we've talked about male white powder. Then we'll talk about black magic, which I tell you also black magic is very effective. That is number one powder in Thailand. The number one powder in Thailand. You don't need much of it. Just I told you with 3% you can use it to do great. Are you getting it? With 3%, you can use it to do great lotions that people, what all this news, what about these testimony reviews I'm getting? Those are part of the powders I used to make, the lotions I used to make, the scrub I used to make. I use them a lot. Are you getting it? So I just want you to have that mindset that it's not going to happen to me again. I will always get the powder, the item I needed from where I got the information. That is how it works. All right. So, and black magic powder is much available on our store right now. Okay. How about alpha-butene? Do you know alpha-butene is a lightening powder as well? Yes, it's a lightening powder as well, which help also to reduce spots. In fact, all this age spot also, and you can use alpha-butene. The way in as much as some people say alpha-butene give them redness, you can use alpha-butene. That's what they used to make the serum that you use to remove your redness from your face. Do you know about that? Yes, we have the alpha-butene and we have the ordinary butene. So that is the powder. So when you get all this powder, and there's also in a way that you can also process all these things to make them yourself. Not every time you buy serum. Are you getting it in a way you make it? Say, oh, my skin is ready. She's not white. It's not. When you didn't get all this information from me, and you did get them from me, you went to get powder. So how would it work? Alpha-butene is a lightening agent also that you can use on your lotion and you will see result. But how are you using it that you are not seeing result is because you're getting the fake one. And I keep saying this time with that number. It doesn't matter that, oh, because of how you thought the relationship between you and the person, so you want to keep that relationship, are you? So whatever I bring for you, you buy. You will keep buying the fake product, and he or she will be selling you that, just, and it won't work. A lot of people, you come and complain, I've done this, you haven't seen anything yet until you change what you're the method. How about glutathione? Glutathione also is a very, very, antioxidant, because all of them, they are antioxidants, okay? They are antioxidants that really help us to work on our skin. Mostly, as much as far as concerned, for the ladies, you're getting glutathione and inside your lotion, you want to mix it, you can't do it yourself. You understand? If you know, even your skincare formulator, about it, then get the original. When you get original, you get a correct routine and use it to lighten up. You will see that your skin will be as fresh as a young lady. Let me not say a young, a fresh baby. Leave all that. It will, as a proper young lady. No matter, like, I have a lady who's about 59 to 60, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 59 to 60. When you see her, the skin is still firm, strong. When I mean firm, strong, there is no wrinkle, there's no sign of old age. But I tell you, this lady, she's already aged. Mama is very sharp, very, very sharp. The skin is doper, firm, tight. Not when you see some skin very weak, It's just all because they get the wrong product. And when we keep saying this every day, say, it's a guy. What did he know? Did these people even test the pH level? They didn't even test the acidic level of the powders or the serums or whatever. They just say, it's good, it's tested. When they are formulating it, they will be showing you measurement. You think, who told you that? Come on, give me a break. Who told you that? Is that how, did they test all these things, all of the cream? A lotion, you from the scratch, you do all the measurements, you test, and you use your color separation to separate, to check out the pH level, to check out if the acid is not gonna damage someone's skin, if it's not gonna give this person green vein, if it's not gonna give what is it called, melasma, if it's not gonna give stretch mark. It's because of the information that your body is getting, the wrong information, that causes all this. So if you get the right information, your body get the right information, I tell you, your body will be weak, wouldn't be weak as that. I know, like, you'll be seeing your skin, what am I even rubbing all this for? Look at my skin. Is this me? A young lady looking like, the whole body weird, of the whole body comes sag, the whole body comes dried, just because of wrong lotions and all that. Then when you keep talking this, then they don't believe you because you are a guy. He's talking. Those of the big names you hear, you see, I keep telling you, some of them, they got product from me. Yes, that is it is what it is. So let's be straight to let's just be forward with the truth. So if you think that you will keep buying product, you're only doing harm to the skin. So instead of us doing harm to the skin, please, let's get the right product. So maybe you're trying to get Giga White as the fourth powder, or Sim White as the fourth powder, any of this. Always have it in the mind that this one, buy the original powder. Like I've been telling you all, without the original powder, it will not work. It will not work. They are original powder. Some people say, I buy pack of powder 15,000. I buy pack of 10,000. Yes, be getting the 15,000 where they've gone at the corner to milk shop. Is it not the seal? Is it not here? Is it not seal they buy at the market and they put their powder? The powder come in a chunk of drum, right? If you don't know, they come in a chunk of drum. Yes, well packaged seal. All right. Now when they open those paper drum or rubber drum, now when they try to put they now package them in a nylon that they've been produced here. Okay, put their own labels. All right. So now, how did you know it's original? Now, by the way, how did you know it's original? Because I put my name, XX, YD, just name different, just formulate. So you thought that design it, that is a nah. When they tell you, you will know from the price. Come on, you will know from the price. And these people, like when some people will say, when I give them just drop, they will just say, I want to buy this. They will be so smart, proud of themselves. I want to buy this. When they just send their list, when I put price, they will not reply again. Tell them, now then be that, and their skin will be get spoiled. They will be selling damaged creams for people because they're looking for cheap powder. Let's desist from that attitude. You'll be seeing our reviews back to back. You can go to Instagram and check, seeing our review back to back. It's because of the right ingredients that you want to buy. Like I have one customer, her house is just from a stone throw to my office, but she would never one day come. She said, I don't have time to come negotiate. I don't negotiate on my ingredients when it comes to ingredients. That's why I say my product is very high. So why should I come to your store? I come and select. I come and how much is this? Some people when they come to my office afterwards, I will just tell them my receptionist, please don't say a word to any of them again. Let them guess. Get angry and leave. No problem. You will become a pricing powder. Become then you will use it and still go and sell high to people for what is not working. Now you will become a shouting me, my cream is not working. My cream is not working. I've tried. No, stop that. Stop that.